What's up, Pyro family? About to show you some fireworks I picked up just recently, and some of them are older, some of them are new, some of them I had. We'll see what we got. So we'll start off up here. I got that one is what is that? Nazgul. Yeah, that was Nazgul. I got Taste the Rainbow, 20 shots. And I got 12 shot Snake's Charmer. Got that one. I'll come down here. I got that. Package those. Package those. Got some stuff in here. Those right there, 2-inch hitter bangers. Ball shells, they're 2 inchers. That down there, 100 shot dead heat. This right here is Hell's Bells. Yeah, there's Hell's Bells right there. That, I just got a bunch of different variety of ball shells and stuff in that one. Let's see if I can open it real quick. Yeah, I got some bangers in there, you know, I don't know, just a variety of stuff. There's a couple good ones in there, a couple hitters, for sure. Let's see, underneath that, I got a 1-1. I got, what do I got here? Let's see, I got King Kaboom, 100 shotter. Can't wait to see that one. That'd be nice. Let's see what else we got. Oh, let's see. Got a 25 shot banger cake. This one here is Silent Rage. Hold on 1 second. Silent Rage. Got that one. That's Miss Marvel. Underneath the 25 shot banger cake, I got I think that's Zeppelin. I think that's a Zeppelin. I think. Let me see the package here. Where we at? That's a Zeppelin. Okay, that's a Zeppelin. Got this little mini banger. Little mini banger balls. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I got plug hooked me up with, you know, threw in a little banger cake for free. Shout out to you. You know what you got me. You know, some of this stuff over here. Let's see what else I got. Oh, here I got another one over here. Let's see what we got in here. We got, oh shit, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we got another Zeppelin. I'm sure that's another Zeppelin, I know it is. And this one over here is, what is that one? That one's Halen. Okay, this one's another Zeppelin, I know it is. Sure, the tag is somewhere over here. I don't know, whatever. It's another Zeppelin though, because it's green. So I got 2 Zeppelins. Okay, so I got 2 of those. Alright. What else do we got over here? Got some stuff in here. Let's see, I'm trying to hurry up, fellas, I know. What else do we got? Let's see, I got some wick. I'm sure you guys know what these are. Those are the bangers. My last silver, the real one, the 007. Not that, not the ones that came out this year. These are the older ones. You know, these are the same as those. Got one of those. Let's see. Got some safe crackers. A couple other things. My camera would zoom in. There we go. Some of that. Let's see what we got down there. Another box. What do I got in this one? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got a couple bangers down there. You know, some fountains. Let's see, what else do I got here? Oh yeah, here we go. You guys are gonna like this one. Yeah, okay, so this green one, I have some stuff in that one too. Go through that real quick. Oh yeah, okay, so I got some hot dogs. These are the old school ones right here. These are true. These are the good ones. These are the don't panic, you know. These are the no panics. Those are the good ones. They're all the good ones. I got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 left. Don't panics. That one is I think a warrior shell or something. Okay, so now these are the new what the fuck are these ones? They're bangers too. That's, you know, I got a couple of those. Got a couple sleeves of these. These are the what are these? Zombie Revenge or Zombie Returns? I think they're the Zombie Returns. That's what they are. Zombie Returns. You know, it's all bang, bang, bang. All the good stuff. Okay. Let me put some of this stuff back. Okay, and then last but not least, you know, got me one of those little boys. You know, that's what's up. Shout out to the plug. You know what's up. Got a couple bang rockets down there. But I think that's it, fellas. That's all I got for now. That's a start. You know what I'm saying? That's a good little start there. All right, Pybros, I'm out.